Are you struggling to see results in your digital marketing efforts? It's time to discover the power of mentorship. Having a mentor can help you avoid common pitfalls. Learn from someone who has been there and done that. A mentor can provide guidance and support. They can help you navigate the ever-changing landscape. Now, let's talk about proven systems. Having a system in place will streamline your efforts. It ensures consistency and efficiency in your marketing. A proven system can help you achieve your goals faster. It provides a roadmap to success. The journey to digital marketing success doesn't have to be a long, lonely road of endless research and trial and error. By seeking out mentorship and implementing effective systems, you can dramatically accelerate your progress, avoid common pitfalls, and achieve your goals with greater efficiency and confidence. The most successful digital marketers aren't necessarily those who know everything or work the longest hours. They're the ones who leverage the wisdom of experienced mentors and the power of well-designed systems to work smarter, not harder. If you're ready to break free from the research trap and take your digital marketing to the next level, embrace the power of mentorship and systems and watch your success soar.